History. Skeeter, a brand synonymous with excellence, was founded over 75 years ago. No other boat manufacturer boasts such a rich history and heritage. Throughout generations, Skeeter has been the trusted choice of anglers, providing the foundation for countless fishing memories. The company's commitment to engineering innovation is evident in its use of advanced manufacturing techniques and aerospace-grade materials, leading to the development of X-Treme and EX-Cell composite construction, ensuring a smooth, dry, and safe fishing experience. Best inventions. Skeeter's commitment to building boats engineered like no other has led to groundbreaking inventions that set them apart. From the initial use of aerospace applications in manufacturing to the X-Treme and EX-Cell composite construction, every innovation is geared towards creating the best engineered base boats on the water. Skeeter's dedication to no corners cut construction has propelled them to the winner's circle, making their pursuit of perfection evident in every vessel. Recent developments. Skeeter continues to evolve with a relentless pursuit of perfection in every aspect of design and manufacturing. The brand's commitment to excellence is underlined by its 22nd consecutive recognition for excellence in customer satisfaction for fiberglass outboard boats. Skeeter's recent developments showcase a dedication to providing customers with not just boats, but an experience that exceeds expectations. The brand's presence in the winner's circle and ongoing customer satisfaction awards attest to Skeeter's current status as an industry leader. Current status. As of today, Skeeter stands at the pinnacle of the boating industry, recognized for excellence in customer satisfaction and engineering innovation.